Lights out machining doesn't start when the light goes off. It starts hours, sometimes days, before the cycle even begins. I'm Barry at CloudNC, and I've been a turning production engineer for 28 years. We are showing you the process of automation for lights out machining, bar feed operation, gantry loading and stacking, and spindle to spindle passover. This is about making the process repeatable, predictable and uneventful, because uneventful is reliable. Automation matters because it turns good machining into reliable production at a scale, on time and at a known cost. It isn't about replacing skill, it's about multiplying it. Lights out success comes from discipline in preparation, selecting the correct strategy, tools and optimising the speeds and feeds from years of experience ensures the basics are right for a consistent result. Lights out starts with lights on proof. If it isn't stable in 10 minutes, it won't be stable in 10 hours. Air blast is critical. It cleans the clamping surfaces, prevents foreign object debris and ensures accuracy in finish. Dirty machines will kill automation. When we load bars into the bar feed channel, we ensure they're clean, cut to length and a chamfer applied to the end to prevent bars misloading and killing production. If the bar feed isn't predictable, the rest really doesn't matter. Efficiency is the gap in cycles with the gantry. Part handling is rapid, accurate and repeatable, so the machine spends maximum time cutting and minimum time waiting. Accuracy is everything in robotised stacking. The gantry phases every component the same way, rapid moving within 3 mil of the top face, and then delicate final movements ensures no damage occurs. When we talk about selecting tooling for this particular lights out production, the insert's reliability and consistency plays a huge role in piecing the final parts of the puzzle together. Years of experience and testing has allowed me to gather solid cutting data, strategies and insert selection that apply to certain materials and applications to place them confidently to achieve a solid and reliable result. The final piece of the puzzle for me is to consider how and why we need to control swarf. For this process, coolant plays an extremely important part to stop the need of manual intervention, which results in breaking that all-important consistency chain. In this situation, consistency will always beat intensity. When you combine these proven fundamental processes together with the right knowledge and experience, lights out operation is simply the most cost-effective way to deal with high volume production.